pretty cool to see though. Like, you see a lot of vlogs when people are swimming here and that, and the danger signs.
Hey guys, welcome back to our Tropical North Queensland vlog. We're starting pretty strong on this vlog, heading to Milla Falls. It's a really popular Instagram destination, so we will see if that plays on. As well. We have decided to, well, Brody decided to take a turn off that said scenic drive.
Well, you know, scenic drive, you would have thought, oh, it'll be pretty scenic, won't it? But I think it may bit us in the bum a bit because look where we are. It does not look like it's been used for a while.
No, it doesn't look very driven on, and we've got Jacob and Terry behind us in their boat, towing their boat, so hopefully it turns out alright, because I don't think they'll be doing a U-E.
Yes, they've already had to have a couple of turns going through there's a down tree that's obviously been cut up just to let people through, but with their boat didn't want to get past, so hopefully it gets a little bit better, but I don't know where it's going to take us. Hopefully it takes us back to the highway.
But we'll keep you updated and we'll see you at Milla. We made it back to the highway.
Oh yeah, that was a tad hectic. Jacob and Story still haven't made it back up yet, so hopefully they haven't had any dramas.
Yeah, that should be fine. Bit of fun though?
Yeah. How's it going back there?
Alright, slowly coming through.
That's good. We're back at the highway now anyway.
Alright, change of plans, but who's surprised? Not us. We decided to take the waterfall drive, which is on the way to Milla Falls, and it goes through 2 different waterfalls, and then Milla is the end one. But we just made our way to Allinger Falls. What? Where is it? Oh, it's
you just
right
missed it.
Oh, hello, fella. Yeah, I didn't see him at all.
How random is that?
That is very random. So we're gonna go check out these falls. I don't know if they're any good or what the track's like, but we'll soon find out, I guess.
Yeah, it sounds like it's pumping. Hopefully it's not too far away. We can hear it from here.
Like a very popular place. All the tour buses and whatnot are here. We are here at 1 PM though, so it's pretty prime time. But we finally made it to Milla Falls. Oh my gosh. Oh, there she is.
Oh wow.
It kind of feels surreal because this place has been on our bucket list for God knows how long, seriously. So it's so cool to finally be here. We really wanted a photo of the car with like the falls, but there's so many buses, I don't think that's gonna be a thing. That might be like a morning or arvo thing, but let's hop out and check her out.
Oh, what do you reckon, Charles? Pretty nice.
gosh, she's stunning, just all in her glory. It's so weird to finally be here. She's just absolutely stunning. I feel a bit starstruck, to be honest.
By a waterfall?
Yeah. Look at her in all her glory. She speaks for herself.
Now after our little whirlwind of a day, going back and forward and around and just managing to find a couple of waterfalls and lots of changes of plans, we've finally parked up for the day. So we found a spot just out of Innisfail called Paradise Camps, and mate, this place is an absolute banger. Have a look at this. This is right out the front of where you camp up. They've got their own private little creek, and it is absolute blitz. How is that? That is so cool. You've got unpowered, you've got powered here as well, and just up these steps. And just up these steps here, they've even got a camp kitchen with bloody everything. So there's this little bit of a lookout. They've made a little homemade little look over the creek. Obviously you can see. Have a look at that. Imagine this. I can't imagine this over summer. It's trying to get packed out, but it is absolutely amazing. And then up here's your camp kitchen. So it's got bloody everything. It's got a little bar, everything. TV, dartboard. Bloody nearly got yourself a proper restaurant kitchen in here. Commercial kitchen. How cool. Have a look at that. And then just over there there's a swimming hole in the little creek. Can't believe we found this. And $30 a night unpowered, 40 for powered. And it's, you're allowed to have fires and fire pits. Does it get any better? Great way to wind down after a bit of a crazy day. Anyway, I'm gonna go get another beer.
Well, good morning and welcome to tropical North Queensland. Don't mind the face, we've just woken up. But today we were meant to go to Josephine Falls, we've been to Boulders, swim all day. And we've woken up and We have had so much rain, so it's going to be fun getting out of here. I think we had 33 mil last night, bro. Is that right?
Oh, we just had another downpour. I'd say about 40 mil now.
That is insane. So the jumpers speak for themselves. It's freezing in tropical North Queensland. Who would have thought? But change plans. We're going to head to the Babinda Bakery because we've heard of a few people the best coffee, the best snacks. So we'll put that to the test and we'll let you know. But we might end up going to Josephine and Babinda today, depending on if the rain stays away and it warms up a bit. But anyway, you've got to adapt while living on the road, so let's go get some coffee. Well, we're back in the car, got our coffee and our little snacks from the bakery. I can confirm the sausage rolls were a 20 out of 10. Coffee is good. It's probably not the best I've had though.
The hottest thing ever made. This is volcanic hot chocolate.
Should be right to drink in about 10 hours. And we just decided to run through the visitor centre just to sort of get our head around a few things. We like to do that in most towns and just talk to all the locals, and apparently Babinda is Australia's wettest town, so...
And guess what? It's just started raining again. What a coincidence.
So it's not us bringing the rain with us, it's actually, yeah, a raining town. So I think we're going to continue looking at Josephine Falls and Babinda to, Babinda Boulders, yeah. Because it is actually so muggy outside, isn't it?
Yes. Actually, that's another thing I have to do. Take my jumper off because I'm sweating.
Very hot.
It's wet, but it's still very muggy and hot.
Yeah.
My car's saying it's 21 degrees outside, so I reckon it feels hotter than that though.
Yeah,
maybe it's just because I'm drinking volcanic lava. Yeah. Come on, buddy. Well, we've cracked them and we've committed to the cause. We sat up in the Josephine Falls car park for bloody an hour or so and it hasn't stopped raining. So we're out and about, walking the rainforest in the rain. So 700 metre walk from the car park to the falls, and yeah, hopefully it's a good sight. It does say on the information board there, don't swim after or before rain, or after or when it's raining, sorry, because flash flooding and the water does come down pretty hard and it might sweep you away. So we're just going to go down for a bit of a look, see what it's like, and yeah, hopefully not get too wet. Well, I don't think we'll be doing much sliding today. We've just made it down now, just going down the steps, and I'm guessing you could probably hear how much this is pumping right now. Definitely is not safe. The danger light's on, so obviously up here now, do not enter the waters.
The danger light's on.
A little bit of a light here, the danger light's going up there, and it's in the red zone over there. But have a look at this. Bloody hell. Absolutely pumping. So that's obviously where we'll slide down on this rock here, and by the look of that current, you'll just get swept away down there.
Yeah.
So you just slide down that? That's crazy. Spot the Victorian.
What rain? It's not cold.
And then there's these two. It's a bit wet, is it?
It's a little bit. Queenslanders. Sunny blue skies on the radar today. Just went for a swim at, where are we? Josephine Falls. Not really, but oh, he's shipping.
It's dried out actually.
Yeah.
We went for a little walk.
It's great.
Oh my goodness.
Still absolutely pouring out there.
It's definitely pretty cool to see though. Like, you see a
Yeah.
lot of vlogs when people are swimming here and that, and the danger signs and whatnot that we probably showed you. But you can definitely tell why they're up because, yeah, right now it is dangerous. You would not want to swim there at all.
For sure. But it's pretty cool to see, like, obviously when it's pumping with rain because people sort of only showcase when it's beautiful sunny blue skies and crystal clear water, but you probably don't see it when it's like that. So it was pretty cool, but we're gonna head to Babinda Boulders now, and apparently you can swim there in the rain. So we're already wet, so we may as well get in and have a swim because it's definitely not cold. It's still very hot. It's just, yeah, raining. Anyway, off we go.
Go for it.
So no swimming at Babinda Boulders because she was flooded, and we had like 51 mils of rain yesterday, so the current was flowing, pumping fast, and we thought, nah, maybe not.
Yeah, take the safer option and just look at it and stay away and keep safe.
That's it. But we're doing a bit of a weird one. So we're obviously in Tablelands, came out to the coast to do Josephine Falls and Babinda, and now we're heading back in. But sadly this morning we had to say goodbye to our mates. We've been traveling with them for 4 weeks and finally parted ways. So they're sort of heading down south now and we're sort of heading north. So unfortunately, obviously there comes a time when you have to part ways when you've got different travel itineraries, but it was really fun to travel.
Yeah, it was
with them,
good.
wasn't it?
Good to get out on the boat and that too, which was awesome.
Yeah.
Got some cool footage of some whales and caught some fish. It was bloody awesome.
Yeah, it was such good fun with them. But anyways, everything has to come to an end, unfortunately. So yes, heading back into Tablelands now. We've got a few good things on the list. Don't know how much we'll do, but see how we go, I guess. And then we're going to stay at Atherton Holiday Park tonight because there's not really much free camp wise around Atherton. So we've got to fill up with water anyway, so good excuse to get some water.
We are empty.
Absolutely, we're running on empty.
What was that?
That's the water bottle. I was talking about how empty it was. So anyway, I guess we'll just catch you when we get to our first little stop.
Well, this is what happens on a daily. So we were planning on going to a certain spot, and Charles was looking through wiki camps, trying to find a, you know, just having a bit of a look around, see what's about, and plans have changed. So now we're going to look for some platypuses. I don't exactly know where we are. Where are we, Cal?
I think this town's called Yungabara or something. I'm not sure, but apparently you can spot some platypus on this like viewing bridge. But I don't know. Hopefully we get lucky.
Yeah.
See a couple?
It's not the best day today, so go for a couple of walks to see if we can find a platypus or two, and then we'll keep moving on. So yes, we don't tell you sort of too much of where we're heading these days because plans change that much. It's just crazy.
I do not trust this bridge whatsoever.
Yeah, platypus, platypus, platypus. Just made our way back, probably about 10 minutes, you reckon? About 10 minutes back up the road to Josephine Falls, and I tell you what, 340 metres down from the car park, easiest walk you could do, and a beautiful view. Have a look at this. Different looking waterfalls to what we're used to, but Atherton and Tablelands keep producing the goods, don't they? It's just bloody waterfall galore. If you love your waterfalls, get up or down to here, wherever you're from, and come and see these beautiful waterfalls. There's still a few more to have a look at along the way around here. And yeah. To finish off our little Atherton Tablelands vlog, we've decided and we found a place which is pretty unique to what we've sort of been doing on our trips. But have a look at this joint. So we've just rocked up to the Mariba drive-in, and look who's here. Didn't last long, did it? One day and they found their way back to us. But how good is this joint? So $14 per person for 2 movies and a stay over, so you can camp here as well. You can camp in with your caravans as well. Caravans are over this side of the cafeteria, little bits and pieces, and there's your little cafeteria with whatever you need to have, burgers, bloody chips, yeah, all your stuff that you'd normally find at a cinema. And this is our little setup. How cool. There's a screen. So gates open at 5:30. There was people parked up here pretty early, so we got here about 4:30 just to try and make sure we got a spot. But yeah, should be sweet unless it's super packed out. But yeah, awesome little spot, and this will be us for the night, I think.
Third time lucky getting a stick in the car.
Alright, old style.
There we go.
I don't know where it actually hangs, but it can hang there tonight.
Just don't drive off with it still in there.